Today, we're talking about something that can make or break your birth experience, your birth team. That's right, the people you choose to be by your side during labor can either make you feel like a total queen or leave you stressed and frustrated. So, stick around because I'm spilling the tea on four of the biggest birth team mistakes and how you can avoid them. Hey there, mama. Welcome back to my channel where we dive into all things pregnancy, birth, and breastfeeding. Basically, everything you need to feel confident and prepared as you head into motherhood. I'm Stephanie Poole, your go-to doula and lactation consultant, and most of all, birth bestie. All right, let's kick things off with this question. So, why does your birth team even matter? Isn't the doctor or midwife running the show anyway? Well, yes and no. While your healthcare provider is crucial, your birth team, think your partner, doula, or even your mom, plays a massive role in supporting you emotionally and physically. They're the ones that will hold your hand, cheer you on, and make sure that your birth plan is respected when things get intense. Here's the deal. Labor is a marathon, not a sprint. You'll need people who can keep you calm, make you laugh, and help you advocate for yourself. The wrong team, though, that's like running a marathon in flip-flops. Trust me, it's not a vibe. Now, that brings us to our first mistake. Having someone on your team who freaks out at the first sign of stress. Listen, labor is unpredictable. Things might not go exactly as planned. And the last thing that you need is Aunt Karen crying in the corner because she can't handle seeing you in pain. Your birth team needs to be made up of people who are calm, supportive, and can roll with the punches. If someone in your life tends to lose it under pressure, maybe give them the VIP pass to meet the baby after delivery instead of bringing them into the delivery room. Next up, not having a doula on your team. Y'all, I'm not just saying this because I'm a doula. The research backs me up. Studies show that having a doula can lead to shorter labors, fewer interventions, and better overall outcomes. A doula is like your birth coach, your cheerleader, an advocate, all rolled into one. I've seen so many moms think, oh, my partner will do everything a doula does. But let me tell you, partners are amazing, but they're also emotionally invested and might feel overwhelmed. Having a doula takes the pressure off of them so they can really focus on being there for you. All right, mistake number 3, not discussing your birth plan with your team ahead of time. Now, let's be real. Your birth team can't read your mind. If you're envisioning a calm, dimly lit room with your favorite playlist in the background, then you need to tell them that. Sit down with your team before your due date and walk them through what's important to you. Do you want delayed cord clamping? Are you hoping to avoid an epidural? What about who's allowed to be in the room? Make sure everyone's on the same page so that there's no confusion when you're in the thick of labor. Let's talk red flags. If someone on your team doesn't respect your wishes during pregnancy, they're not magically going to start respecting them during labor. Trust your gut. If your mom keeps saying, oh, you'll definitely want that epidural, even though you've told her 100 times you want to go unmedicated, she might not be the right fit for your birth team. This is your birth, your body, and your baby. It's okay to set boundaries. In fact, it's necessary. Okay, now that we've covered the mistakes, let's talk about how to actually build your dream team. Here's your game plan. Identify your needs. Do you want emotional support, physical comfort, or both? Choose people who align with your vision. They don't have to agree with everything, but they do need to respect your choices. Hire a doula. Trust me, once you find the right one, you won't regret it. Communicate clearly. Share your birth plan and make sure everyone's on board. Trust your instincts. If someone doesn't feel right, don't force it. Remember, you're allowed to change your mind. All right, mama. Lastly, I want you to remember this. Your birth team can either be your biggest asset or your biggest headache. So choose wisely. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with other fellow pregnant moms, and drop a comment below to let me know who's on your dream birth team. And don't forget, check out my Bump to Bundle blueprint for even more tips on preparing for your best birth and breastfeeding journey. Until next time, you've got this, mama. Stay empowered, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.